Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about sliding method. Okay, so let's see what is it. So here on screen you can see that I have mentioned all the methods for the sliding method. I have created the three buttons, that is the slide down, slide up and slide toggle. Fine. So in first thing I have mentioned the document.getReady function. Inside that I have mentioned one ID, that is the slide down. You can see I have mentioned the slide down off, and inside that I have mentioned the slow. So whenever you are writing the slide down up or like a slide down up or slide down any other thing, any functions like that, it will automatically work like that only. Fine. So whenever you're writing slow or fast, so it will tell you according to that. Like if you're writing the slow, so it will give you the animation slow, and if you're writing the fast, it will give you the fast animation. Okay, after that inside the button I have mentioned all the IDs, that is I have mentioned in the inside the functions. Fine. After that it will start working like that only. So whenever you are going to click that button, it will automatically move there. Fine. So let me just come here. I will just let me give you the, here I have given all the buttons for that. Whenever I'm doing the slide up, so the animation is going the slide up. I'm clicking on the slide down, so it will go the slide down. Okay, so these are the few kinds of function. Let me just reload it. Same ID we have to provide. You slide down. Yeah, now it is working like a slide down. Slide up. So yeah, it is working like a slide up. And these are the method is for the slide toggle. So it will go, the first time it will go upward, then downward. So I hope you understood. So these are the few kinds of method. I hope you understand. That's all for today's class. Thank you so much.